Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by heating the oil in a wide pot. Add diced onion, carrot, and celery, and sweat them gently for 3 to 5 minutes so they release sugars and build sweetness. Once they are translucent, pour in 6 to 8 cups of chicken broth. Low sodium if you plan to adjust salt later, then stir to deglaze any fond. Make sure to bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. That steady heat extracts flavor without turning the vegetables mushy. Once your broth is simmering, add the chicken. Use 2 cups shredded cooked chicken for speed or 1 cup diced raw chicken if you want it to poach in the pot. Then season: 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, a bay leaf, and a teaspoon of dried thyme or a tablespoon of fresh herbs to brighten the profile. Make sure to maintain a gentle simmer. This keeps the chicken tender and lets flavors meld. Once done, skim any foam and taste for seasoning. You finish by adding starch or greens, 1/2 cup pasta, rice, or diced potato, then cook until tender to your preference. Once textures are right, brighten the soup with 1 teaspoon lemon juice or 1 tablespoon vinegar and stir in chopped parsley or cilantro. Make sure to taste and adjust salt last. If the broth seems dull, increase salt slowly. If it's cloudy or greasy, strain through a sieve and clarify with a brief gentle simmer while skimming off surface fat. That fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.